Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into the Eastern Bank's online banking account using the website. So first of all, you can use any web browser for this process. Simply open any web browser and on the address bar type easternbank.com and then hit enter. So as you can see, this is the official website, and here you simply need to tap on the login option, which is at the upper right corner of the screen. Now here on the first box, enter your username and then afterwards tap on the sign in option if you are using your personal account. And if your account is business, tap on the business option. And here there are several options, for example the Eastern Treasury account, the Depositor Control Panel account, and the other accounts. As you can see, simply tap on the option, and again as you can see, now here you need to enter your company ID on the first box, your user ID on the second box, and then your password on the third box, and afterwards simply tap on the sign in option. So that's how you can log into your personal account as well as your business account using the website. The website was easternbank.com. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.